Hi everyone, it's Miss Grace, and I am going to show you how to make a sale card today. So, on top of all the materials that come in your bag, you're going to need a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, some tape, and whatever you want to make your sale out of. So, in this case, I'm going to use a white piece of paper. Alright, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our black rectangles, and there's a hollow side and then there's a flat side. So we're going to want to put both flat sides facing up when we stack it. So it's going to look like this. Now that we have them stacked on top of each other, we're going to take our screws and we're going to put one in each corner so that they attach to each other. So we're going to put one in this corner, one in this corner, one in this corner, and one in this corner. And this is where we're going to use our screwdriver. So we're just going to screw it in, not too tight, but just tight enough. Okay, now that we have all 4 screws in, we're going to take our smaller wooden dowels and we're going to attach our wheels. So the first wheel we have, there's this inside hollow part and then there's this outer part. So we're going to take this dowel and we're going to put it on the inside hollow part, kind of wiggling it in. And we're going to take it and we're going to put it through the front side of this black rectangle, the top one, and we're going to make it come out on the other side. We're going to take another wheel and the other hollow part and we're going to put it in this side of the dowel, holding this side of the wheel so that the wheel doesn't go flying off. And now we have our back wheels. We're going to do the same process with the front wheel. So we're going to take our wheel, put the dowel in, put it through the front, look so you can see where it needs to come out. Take our last wheel, push it on, and now we have our 4 wheels. So our final process is to add this sail. Now we're going to take our long dowels and our yellow tube, and we're going to cut sections of this yellow tube so that when we put the dowel in, it won't hit the ground, because if it hits the ground, then it's not going to move very well. So I already have mine cut, so here's about the size that I did, not very big. It doesn't have to be a perfect size. We're going to put it on our dowel just far enough up so that when we put it in the hole, it doesn't touch the bottom. And you can put it wherever you want. I just put mine right in the middle. So now we're going to take our next one, do the same thing, put it in across from this stick, and we're going to add our sail. So I decided to go with just a white piece of paper, but this is where you guys can get creative because you can use cardboard or you can use colored paper or you can use a blank piece of paper and color it. It's really up to whatever you guys want to do. So I got 2 pieces of tape and we're going to tape this piece of paper to these dowels. Just like this. There we go, and this is our back side. And when we turn it around, we have a sale car. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.